Welcome back to our channel. Today we have homemade almond milk. If you ever taste the fresh homemade almond milk, you will never want to buy it at the store anymore. Believe me. Believe me. But first, I'd like you to show you our trip to Almond Farm last February. The almond flowers are beautiful. You could see the whole white farm straight from the highway in Davis, California. Isn't it pretty? Let's go back to our important ingredient today, almonds, of course. Now, you should buy steamed or baked almonds with nothing added. Soak 1 cup almonds in water for at least 10 hours or overnight. In the next morning, we have our fresh almond milk ready. Oh no, not yet. 1 cup soaked almonds with 42-ounce hot or cold water, as you wish, to drink with coffee or cereals. Add 3 tablespoons sugar for the sweet and pinch of salt. Press nut milk on the Instant Pot blender. Press start. When the program is done, use a strainer bag to ensure our milk is smooth and creamy too. Now we have 1 liter fresh, cold almond milk. Keep the discard for cookies. Simple homemade almond milk that's creamy, delicious, and entirely customizable. Perfect for cereal, baking, and drinking straight alongside baked goodies. Yummy, yum, yum. Hope you enjoy our daily foods as we do. Homemade foods are always fresh and tasty, right? Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow on this channel. Bye! Bye!